Looking for a place to stay on your next trip to Disneyland? Well, look no further. We just wrapped up on an unforgettable stay here at the Disneyland Hotel, and in this video, we're giving you a full look at the hotel, our room, and all of the magical amenities you'll find here. We're Michaela and Austin, Disney travel planners and Disney-loving parents, and if you're looking for Disney travel tips, you're in the right place. Opening in the same year as the park, Disneyland Hotel is full of history and located just steps from downtown Disney. It's one of our favorite places to stay as a family and has been hosting other families and their visits the happiest place on earth for decades. The hotel is split into 4 main towers, each named and themed after different lands throughout the Disneyland park. In addition, there's a Disney Vacation Club Discovery Tower. We stayed here in the Frontier Tower, so let's go check out our room.
As soon as you step inside the room, you'll notice the bright classic Disney touches everywhere. The room feels elegant but still full of that signature Disney magic. You have a couple options in terms of view when you stay here, a premium view with a view towards the pool areas or downtown Disney, and a standard view with a view towards trees or parking areas like we have here. The Disneyland Hotel offers a few configurations with the beds, and you can sleep up to 5 people in a room. These 2 queen beds are super comfy, and yes, each room has the famous light-up headboards. With the flip of a switch, they come to life with fireworks and music from When You Wish Upon a Star. There's plenty of space to unpack and settle in with a dresser, a closet, and Disney's typical underbed space to store your suitcases. Inside the dresser are 3 drawers that you can use for unpacking next to a door that's hiding away the mini fridge for the room. On top of the dresser is a Keurig machine with Joffrey's coffee pods and tea, as well as an ice bucket and glasses for beverages. Now for the bathroom. They actually do the split bathroom configuration, which is really helpful for families all getting ready at the same time. On one side you have your closet and vanity space with these fun Mickey glove sconces, a makeup mirror, and some extra toiletries. And on the opposite side you have a room for the toilet as well as your shower. And for you parents with young kids like us, you'll be happy to see it's a shower tub combo. In the room you'll also have this cozy sitting area and a writing desk. Every detail has that touch of nostalgia, from the retro style lamps to the artwork celebrating Disneyland's original attractions.
Beyond the room, the Disneyland Hotel has something for everyone. The pool areas are a major highlight, with monorail themed water slides, plenty of lounge areas, and our favorite Steamboat Willie splash pad. Next to the pools, you'll find the Tangaroa Terrace that offers quick service food and some delicious snacks for the whole family to share. Check out the spot to get the classic Disney Dole Whip and try the Port Gyoza pot stickers. Other dining options include the Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki Bar, Palm Breeze Bar, the Coffee House, and of course the famous Goofy's Kitchen, a very fun, kid-friendly restaurant that has a full-service buffet and lots of characters roaming the dining room. If you're looking for souvenirs, you'll find plenty of options in the Fantasia shop. Need some trip essentials you may have forgotten at home? Stop by the Small World Gifts and Sundries. As Disney travel agents, we often recommend the Disneyland Hotel for families and Disney fans who want convenience, the classic Disneyland nostalgia, and magic all rolled into one.
And if you found all this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Disney travel tips. We'll see you real soon.